Hello, this is Jason with Essential Oils with Betsy.com, and tonight we're going to talk about Breathe Respiratory Blend from doTERRA. So respiratory issues are prevalent in today's society, especially in certain times of the year. And one of those times of year is now in the springtime. So because of that, doTERRA created Breathe Respiratory Blend. So the ingredients in Breathe is laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, melaleuca, lemon, cardamom, and ravensara. So all those essential oils combined make up the Breathe respiratory blend. So what are some of the benefits with the Breathe blend? So it helps maintain and keep open that feeling of clear airways. Also, Breathe helps maintain a restful night's sleep, and it minimizes the effects of seasonal and environmental threats. So what's the best way to use Breathe? So Breathe, the best way to use it, it can be applied to the chest, to the throat, or to your back. Also, it can be diffused overnight to help get a good night's sleep. So you can put a couple drops in your diffuser. Now also, doTERRA has Breathe Touch. So this is pre-diluted, of course. So this one can be used quickly and gently. All members of the family, so all the way down to children, any with sensitive skin can use the Breathe Touch. Also, Breathe comes in a stick form. So this can be applied to the throat or the back of the neck. And then, so in addition of working through the skin, then this also has vapors that will help you as you would breathe in the vapors, maintain the clear airways. And then the other thing that doTERRA has in the Breathe product line are the throat drops. So these have a little bit different ingredients in it, which makes it to be used internally. So the ingredients in the Breathe drops are lemon oil, peppermint oil, cardamom, eucalyptus, thyme, and melissa oil. So these are the products in the Breathe line for doTERRA, and these are one of our most popular doTERRA products around the house. Betsy always has Breathe on her, and she always has the drops on her also. Breathe was one of the first essential oils that she came in contact with, and she realized some relief when she used Breathe, so that kind of got us hooked on it. So that's a little bit about Breathe. Thanks for watching. Visit our website, essentialoilswithbetsy.com, for more tips and information. Thanks.